Work-from-home opportunities are abundant, transcending various industries and passions. If you have spare rooms or online skills, you can earn money from the comfort of your home. If you have extra rooms or basements, you can generate passive income by renting them out on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO. Proper management is key to ensuring a steady flow of bookings and positive reviews. For those with teaching skills, online tutoring is a great work-from-home option. Offer tutoring services in a wide range of subjects or standardized tests online, leveraging social media or online tutoring websites to market your services. Virtual assisting is another viable option for those who thrive in an administrative capacity. This work can be found through social media, networking events, or freelancing websites, allowing you to provide remote support to clients. Freelance writing is a flexible work-from-home opportunity for those skilled in crafting compelling content. Cater to a variety of clients by offering specialized or broad writing services for websites, blogs, or advertisements. Transcribing is another option for those with exceptional attention to detail. Convert speech to text, earning money per audio hour while working from home. While this work can be less interesting, it offers flexibility. Social media management is a valuable work-from-home opportunity for those proficient in various social media platforms. Manage accounts for businesses, engaging with followers, and creating content to build a strong online presence. If you enjoy sharing your opinions and completing surveys, online survey websites are a great way to earn extra money. While not highly lucrative, they offer flexibility. For those looking to provide childcare services, in-home daycare can be an excellent option. Offering childcare services from home can attract a steady client base, with pricing usually based on a flat daily or weekly rate. Blogging can generate passive income once a loyal following is built. Monetize personal blogs through advertisements or affiliate marketing. Dropshipping is a work-from-home option that involves selling products without inventory. Forward orders to suppliers while profiting from the difference between retail and wholesale prices. For those with expertise in a particular field, online courses can be created and sold on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Content can include text, videos, quizzes, etc., catering to specific skills or expertise. For those skilled in photography, online photo sales can be a lucrative work-from-home opportunity. Sell professional quality photographs to stock photo websites, providing visuals for marketing materials. Pet sitting is an option for those with a love for animals. Offer pet sitting services in your home for pet owners in need, considering your living situation and insurance before offering services. Selling homemade crafts and art can be a profitable work-from-home opportunity. Sell handmade crafts and art on online marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy, transitioning to your own website once established. For those skilled in graphic design, this work-from-home opportunity can be highly lucrative. Provide graphic design services to businesses and nonprofits, showcasing skills with a variety of work samples and charging flat or hourly rates. Proofreading is a work-from-home opportunity for those with exceptional attention to detail. Correct spelling, grammar, and consistency errors in various texts, marketing skills through social media or proofreading websites.